Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you're looking for a reciprocating saw that's battery powered, actually quite powerful, this video 100% is for you. Let's get into this review. All right, the first thing you're gonna wanna know with this is that it comes with some stuff. First thing is the actual saw, and it's pretty cool. It comes with not one, but two of these rechargeable batteries, 21 volts, actually 21 volts of battery power, and they last a good bit of time. From a use standpoint, you might be wondering, well, how long do they last? It really just depends on how much you're going to town on it. A cool thing is when you do plug it in, actually, before you plug it in, there is an icon right here on the back that will illuminate not 1, 2, 3, but 4 LEDs, all green if it's fully charged. But when it's in use, lock it in place, and you can kind of see it right here. So when you are using this, if you're getting to doing the deed and you're like, oh man, how much power I got left, you do have that indicator right there, which is always really good because can't tell you how many times pick one of these things up, get to using it, and then I'm like, I know this is charged, and then I don't know, but now I can go quickly, look at this, and be like, all right, cool, I got plenty of time. So that's the first thing. From a weight standpoint, I guess about between 5, maybe 8, between 5 and 10 pounds. I don't know exactly. Very easy to hold. This has got a nice grip on it, like sort of a hard rubber plastic here. So this is actually more of a grip than the red part, the black part is. So it's like, when you got it, you got it. Ergonomic on the old grip here, same thing with this hard rubber plastic here and here and here. You also have the locking mechanism here. So if you want to lock it, so when this is depressed, you know, if you got little ones walk around, that's a good feature as well. And it can be hung because it has this option here. Now, the coolest thing about this that I was pleasantly surprised was that you don't need a key. You might be like, what is this you're talking about, Ryan? You don't need a key. Right here, I'll give you a close-up. Right here, right there. So first thing you do, you lock it. Then you come over here, or even better, take this off, but you know what I'm getting at. You take your blade that it comes with, you line it up, and then while you're going like this, you push it over, you press it in place, you let it go, and it's in there. So this has got a blade that's like right at 8, we're just gonna round to 8. So 8 inches long on this, just from an example standpoint. This is a 3/4 inch wide. This is the metal cutting blade. Oh man, 2 additional options that are right at about 5 inches. Then you have a long cutting blade that's total length of the cutting area is about 8 1/4. You get 2 of these, and then you get 3 of these right here. You get 1, 2, 3, and these are right at about 5 inches long. So you got 3 of the wood, 1 long metal, 2 shorter metals, 2 of the longer wood. It also comes, which is a nice convenient feature, it does come with some gloves, so when you are handling such things, whether you're just doing yard work in general or just to kind of keep the hands covered when you are handling these, because they are very sharp, very sharp. You have that as well, and also comes with adjustable glasses. Here's your charger, very nice. You can charge 1 battery at a time, important to know. And it all comes in its own hard case. Not a soft case, a hard case. The storage case itself, which is made out of a hard plastic, is right about 12 inches by about 17.5, and it's not that thick. It's actually only about 3 1/4 inches size-wise. So when you're storing something wherever it is, now you know exactly how big the space is, which is really important depending on your storage area. Now this thing is so fast, I actually had to look it up. So it tells you that it's 3,300 revolutions per minute. It cuts like butter, whether it's wood, whether it's metal, whatever it is, this thing does the deed. Now from an example standpoint, does it cut? Yes, it cuts. Pretty easily, to say the least. Another thing to note that the blades that do come with this are a alloy metal, and they seem to hold up pretty well, to say the least, especially if you're cutting wood or even if you're cutting metal with the metal cutting blades. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you put this to the test? Can you give us an honest review after putting in some serious work with our battery-powered reciprocating saw? Hopefully, all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.